All these cases fall under the tort of negligence. Atkins outlines the neighbor principle, whereby one must take reasonable care to avoid acts that could be reasonably foreseen as likely to injure one's neighbor, which is defined as someone who was closely and directly affected by the act. Basically, if you are a COVID-19 carrier, anyone who can catch COVID due to your actions are your neighbors, and you owe them a duty of care. Now, duty of care can be established by these two steps, with reference to a 1978 case. The first one is basically the neighbor principle. It should be foreseeable your actions will harm the victim. Next, there must be sufficient legal proximity. There are three ways to prove this: physical, causal, and circumstantial proximity. You need not prove all of them, just one is enough. Physical proximity is obvious. Were you near the victim? Causal proximity will be the correlation between your actions and others getting COVID. Lastly, circumstantial proximity will be the relationship between you and the victim. Was there, say, a patient-doctor or employer-to-employee relationship? If duty of care is established, you may be liable for spreading COVID. So, when will you not be sued? To prove negligence, your actions must be below a standard of care, which is what a normal person would do when they realize they have COVID. It will be super hard to prove causal proximity. A unique person has to be identified for spreading COVID to you. There is also the public consideration test. If duty of care is established due to spreading COVID, it will lead to a floodgate of cases by companies, people, basically everyone. Think about it. Can you imagine thousands getting sued daily when there are so many daily cases? That is why in most cases, you won't be sued just for spreading COVID. That said, if you breach stay-home notices or withhold information such as your travel history, you can get sued for spreading COVID. Any neighbor can sue you for breaching the standard of care, random guy A, medical professionals, or even your workplace for causing them to shut down. So don't be a COVID idiot, stay safe, and I hope you learned something new. If you made it this far, please like, subscribe for more. Zoom lessons suck, and I wanna try teaching some stuff I learned in an interesting manner. I can't guarantee the best content, but I hope I inspired you to find out more about a topic. Check out the description to learn more about contract law negligence, and thanks for watching.